Okay, so here's the review of the timer switch. Now, this is an Amazon buy. Great switch. As you can see, kind of self-explanatory. It's a timer. So if you have an exhaust fan or any kind of fan in your home for bathrooms or whatever, this is great. As long as your fan is airflow measured in CFM, as long as your airflow matches your size of your battery, your bathroom, this will work great. And only is going to take about 15 minutes to 20 minutes to clear out any bathroom. For instance, if you have a 6x6 bathroom that is 36 square feet, your fan should be 36 CFM or higher. I usually give it like a 10 to 15 pad and say, well, if it's a 8x8, it's a 64 square foot bathroom, you need a 64 CFM fan. I go with an 80 or a 90 just to make sure. So having said that, this thing, you choose the time. This is the switch. Thing is weird is that that's going to be on, even though it's not on. This is actually saying it is off and letting you know it's off. You hit the button. When the light turns off, this particular switch, the fan starts going. You press it again, it turns off. To hit it directly, if you want to change the time, it's always letting you know, hey, 20 minutes, I'm on 20 minutes. So it's in constant communication with you. You hit the 15-minute one, you're going to see the switch turn off. It's bang. That's a direct on, direct choice, and now it's on 15 minutes. If you stop it, however, it's going to stay on 15 minutes. So I usually leave mine on 20 minutes. I'm going to turn it off. And the fan, every time I come in here, it's only going to blow for the 20 minutes. It's not going to blow for an hour and a half, 2 hours. I left the house for 3 days. I went on vacation. I come back, the fan's blowing for 5-6 days, killing my electric bill. So that's the only, thing why I think these are a must for bathroom exhaust fans. Your fan will come with a switch. You hit that switch, you walk out of the bathroom. That's it. You're dead in the water. Thing's going to go until you turn it off. And usually if you're doing, number two, it's going to linger. So you're not going to stay around and wait for this fan to finish spinning. You're going to leave, do what you got to do. So having this timer is a great thing. This particular style definitely needs a white wire, the neutral wire. Now, I don't want to refer to white because it all depends on your electrical and how the wire is actually wired in your system. But usually in a residential situation, a white wire is your neutral wire. You're going to need that in order to hook up this particular item. So you're going to need power. You're going to need a lead to your fan. You're going to need a white neutral wire and then your ground. So you have to have a neutral wire in order for it to work, which is usually, again, the white wire. So if you have that, this will do you well. I think it's a must. I would definitely get it. Save you money and also save, you from leaving your fan on. That is my review. This is my suggestion. I'll let you know, what I think. But this has been also, I've used this for months and months and months. This particular thing has lasted, I've had it for at least 6 months in here, and I use it every single day. So it's been through the paces. Definitely recommend, 5 stars.